3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? It is Jack. We are back again from the Mini Whips YouTube channel. Currently going to my favorite East Coast Emoto dealership, Jersey E-Bikes. Johnsky, the technician, and the owner, Mike, just called me up and said, hey, man, we just got a bunch of new inventory that you need to check out, and we may have a surprise for you. Now, I don't know what these guys have in store, but I do know they have 2025 Ultra Bs, Light Bs, Arctic Leopards, and a bunch of other Emotos that I've never even seen in person. I'm pretty curious to see what these guys have in store for me, so let's go figure it out. Jersey E-Bikes HQ right now. Look at this. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B. 30,000 Light Bs. Packed and ready to go to your next customers. Got everything you need. So this is the first of Jersey E-Bikes. Next time you guys see this place is going to be completely different. You could even get your Sur-Ron delivered by these guys.
Yeah, if you buy 2 or more Sur-Rons in the New Jersey area, I'll show up to your house in a Bumblebee costume.
Shit, I'm holding you to it.
We do carry other brands because, you know, everybody has a feel and a flavor and a taste. Like I said, the Light Bs, we have Talaria Triple X's, but one of my personal favorite bikes is actually what we have as a surprise for you.
This boy's got a surprise for me, dude. What is this?
Go take a peek on the other side of this box. What we have here for you today, Mini Whips, is a brand new Arctic Leopard XE Pro S. This is hands down, in my personal opinion, one of the baddest bikes straight out of a box. You could take this on any motocross track in the United States and it hold its own.
We're getting a Leopard, boys. This is crazy. I'm like shaking right now. All right, we got our first look at the Arctic. You can't really even look at it, but this is what it looks like when you get it out of the box. 10 out of 10 pack.
10 out of 10 presentation.
Damn! Damn! So we're like 90% assembled. We just got to do the brake, and I think that's it, and the pegs. So what were you saying about the jack shaft?
What makes this one of my favorite bike designs out there, this is direct drive, primary to secondary. There's no jack shafts. I understand the point of a jack shaft for the sound, the quietness, and the efficiency on the Sur-Ron Light Bs side, but when you're trying to just put out raw power, you're just removing a point of failure.
We officially got the Arctic fully done up, ready to go. She's built. If you guys have any of your e-bike needs, these are the boys right here. Sur-Ron Don, I appreciate you as always. Mr. Mike, John, you hooked it up with the build. I appreciate it. You guys want to go rip this thing?
Oh yeah.
Let's go ride.
Oh, dude, this thing feels insane. Wheelies are kind of a dream on this bike. Thing's got mega power too. Woohoo! Oh, the Stark is out. Oh, bro, we're only in mode 3 right now. That's mode 3. That's crazy, dude. Should we kick it up to mode 4? I think we should. Dude, insane. This thing is wild. We don't even want to wheelie this thing in mode 4, in my opinion. Oh, suspension is really, really nice on this thing. The power is definitely there. Holy hell, boys. Hands down, in my opinion, the best kind of race-ready lightweight Emoto. I would say this thing's race-ready. I would not have a problem putting this thing on the track. And honestly, maybe we should go to Facility 15 this weekend and see what it feels like on the track. Oh yeah, the brakes are dialed too. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, we're gone. If you're going 73 kilometers, I don't know what the ratio is there in miles per hour. This thing has mega power, dude. We're not even kicking it up to mode 4. We might have to race this thing right now. Line it up. Let's do a drag race. What do you got, it in 40 horse right now?
Not even.
I'm in 4. See how it goes. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Holy sheesh! All right, so the Stark definitely wins. No questions asked there. The Stark's got it. But damn, bro, this thing is so fast. All right, fair and square, you got me.
Crazy what a little ride will do for the mental health.
Yeah, for real, dude. How are you guys?
Making a YouTube video right now. Jersey E-Bikes right there on Pennsylvania Avenue.
Oh, dude, This thing is so sick. Suspension dialed, brakes dialed, power super dialed. All right, well, at least we got some riding in. Hands down, the Arctic Leopard is my ultimate favorite lightweight Emoto. No questions asked. This thing has got the power, it's got the battery life, it's got the brakes, it's got literally everything. Even the suspension is dialed. This thing is ready to go. I think we should take it to the track. You think so?
Let's do it.
All right, boys, we got the Arctic here. We're at facility 15, the best spot in the East Coast to go ride your pitter for sure. We got the RTR out here. Of course, we had to bring the RTR if we're gonna come to facility. And we got the Leopard. Let's go hit the trail loop and see what the Leopard actually feels like in the dirt. We got Dur Films out here. What up? We got the bro from Star E-Bike, Danny. What up, bro? All right, let's put this thing into mode 3. Oh, dude, this thing gets down so hard. I can't wait till we get some Dunlops on this. Wow! Oh, dude, this thing feels so dialed. Super light, which I like. We have no grip, of course, because we're on Shinkos. Oh, yeah, we found the mud, bro. Dude, we're only in mode 3 and this thing is absolutely moving. Sloppy back here today, huh?
I have to hit it.
Do it. Oh, he's in it. Oh, we're here. We'll say this thing is super nimble, bro. It's got mega power. I can't wait till we get some legit tires on this thing. Then we can actually grip. Ow! Oh, we just went right in. So we said screw the trail, now we're in the track with it. Oh! This thing is sick on the track, I will say. With tires, it's gonna be so much better. Oh! It's carnage out here, boys. It's super wet. This bike is fast and we got no grip. Oh, oh, oh! You guys can see how soft it is. It's kind of hard to have no tire and no traction. Oh! Oh! Right in the water, no way! The end of the day, I'm going home, You're crossing the bike lane.
Get it, Jack.
right, boys, we just got back into the shop and she is nice and clean now. This thing handled amazing on the roads, in the trails, and on the track. If you guys are looking for this bike, a Sur-On, an ETM RTR, a Rizzler, or pretty much any bike that you can get your hands on the internet, the boys at Jersey E-Bikes have it all in stock. They can build it, ship it, or you can just go pick it up from their dealership. Now, we have a bunch of mods in store with this thing. We're definitely gonna do a 16-inch rear to make sure we can get some proper motocross tires on this thing. I'm talking to the boys at Pure Suspension about maybe doing a suspension set for this thing. Bigger bars, different grips, definitely, and maybe even some brakes as well. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video, and head over to jerseyebikes.com to get your hands on all electric e-motos. Until then, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.